Hi everyone, quick check-in on what we're here doing on 11. We were able to get this finished being tilled on Saturday, and then we had it raked on Monday. So this is kind of after the initial raking. And then here we are doing the seeding around the surround. So you can kind of see the first pass, check in again and get some footage of the second pass, but just really wanted to see or show kind of the difference of how the speed seeder works and how it really smooths things out. I know it looks a little rough after we till and rake, but the first pass starts packing it down some, getting the seed in there because you have a roller in the brush with some spikes on the front side. But then once we get our second pass with the tractor, it really makes a difference. So just really wanted to show that. We switched to the bigger tractor for more weight to really try to help pack some of this stuff. And so we'll see how it does. We have some grass coming through on 2 and 3. So we're kind of happy to see that. 1's starting to come through finally. So here's some of the damage we had from this winter. Had someone bring an ATV out on the course, and then they tried to do donuts on the green. We got most of the repairs done, filled in some. Just got a little bit more to do, and then we'll be done. So we're gonna come back in with some more sand here on 11 and seed. We're getting this flattened out. We might just cut it little squares with a little hexagon plug or plug it. Not quite sure yet, but we'll get this working in the next week or 2. So just wanted to show kind of what we're doing and go from there. Just doing the first pass right now. Not quite sure if the audio is picking up. Trying something a little bit different. Eric just kind of shows. I've already seeded this front side quite a bit, so I'm picking up, and then I'll just drop down on the other side here. Our initial pass just kind of follows the contour of the area, and then from there we pick our second direction. So we're just going to get this knocked out, and then hopefully move on to 13 and then 12. When we get these little piles on the edge, I'll come back to my second pass and then try to brush them a different direction so it smooths out. And then hopefully we won't have much grass being covered up by dirt. Or soil, sorry, correct term is soil. Sometimes it's a little tricky when you get barriers like water or something where you can't, make a straight line, then turn around and go the other way or do loopy-loops. So we'll just do the contour on this first pass, and then the second pass, we'll see if we can't find an angle to do either some loopy-loops or have the ability to turn. So here's number 11. After our second pass, you can see the difference as far as compaction with the seeder. It does a nice job of packing everything down. You can kind of hear hopefully you can hear the crunching of my feet kind of on the ground. This is real nice and soft, fluffy. But then once we run the seeder over it the second time, get a nice product. So it's nice and finished, packed. Hopefully, we'll go on to number 12, 13 now. I gotta figure out which one I just raked. So 11 is now seeded. We're gonna start watering. And then the next couple weeks, we'll start hitting it with the fertilizer and pushing it. So we should get some faster results now that it's warming up. So it used to be like when we seeded the driving range tee box, for example, we did that in March, early March, and it took three weeks, I want to say, to really come in. It's coming in nice, but then the things that we seeded later, like number 2, for example, I'm already starting to catch up to it. So hope this gives some more insight of what we're doing. 11's now finished, 10 is finished. So we hope everyone has a good week, and we'll keep seeding, keep people up to date, and go from there. So have a good rest of the week. Talk to you later.